a living healthy production. We are back with more fitness and health videos. Hey there everyone, and welcome to our new video on yoga poses for deeper sleep. Are you struggling to catch some quality sleep? Tossing and turning all night, feeling restless and tired upon waking up? It's time to introduce yoga into your bedtime routine. Practicing yoga before bed can work wonders for relaxation, calmness, and deeper sleep. Our video will guide you through gentle stretches, easy breathing exercises, and relaxing poses that soothe the mind and body. You'll learn about the power of yoga for relaxation, how to set up a peaceful space to practice, and how these poses can help you achieve the ultimate goal: deep, restful sleep. In this video, we're going to learn about how to use yoga to unlock the power of relaxation and get a better night's sleep. Our fast-paced lives can make it difficult to wind down at night and fall asleep quickly. But with these 5 easy yoga techniques, you'll be able to embrace a soothing and peaceful bedtime routine. So, let's dive in. Here are the best 5 yoga poses for deeper sleep. 1. Child's pose. Start on your hands and knees, then sink your hips back towards your heels as you extend your arms out in front of you. This soothing pose gently stretches the hips, thighs, and ankles, and can help quiet the mind and calm the nervous system. 2. Legs up the wall pose. Scoot your hips close to a wall, then extend your legs straight up, resting them against the wall. This passive pose promotes circulation, relieves tension in the legs and lower back, and helps calm the mind and body. 3. Corpse pose. Lie on your back with your arms and legs extended, palms facing up. This restful pose allows you to fully relax into your mat and release any tension in the body, helping set the stage for deep and restful sleep. 4. Cat-cow pose. Starting on your hands and knees, inhale as you lift your tailbone and head to the sky, then exhale as you round your spine and bring your chin towards your chest. This gentle flow helps release tension in the spine and neck and can help quiet the mind. 5. Standing forward bend. From a standing position, fold forward at the hips, letting your arms and head hang heavy towards the floor. This pose gently stretches the hamstrings and lower back, helping to release tension and promote relaxation. And there you have it, folks. We hope you enjoyed our video on yoga poses for deeper sleep. Remember, by incorporating these poses into your nighttime routine, you can reduce stress, quiet your mind, and unlock the power of relaxation for a better night's sleep. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Living Healthy videos coming your way. Sweet dreams from Living Healthy production.